will study remaining part of this chapter. In previous class, we have studied that there were two children, Tommy and Margie. Tommy found a printed book. They found it strange because they were studying by electronic media by e-books. Margie hated school because she was getting less marks in geography. Margie was not performing good in geography, so her mother sent her to county inspector. Students, now see in your books 4 number. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. County inspector was a robot. He was fatty, short and red-faced. He gave an apple to Margie to make her comfortable. He took the mechanical teacher away. Margie hoped that county inspector might not able to reassemble the mechanical teacher again. But county inspector knew his work very well, and within an hour, mechanical teacher was in front of Margie again. Margie said she did not like the part or slot in which she had to submit homework and test papers. She had to learn them in punch code, and mechanical teacher could calculate marks in no time. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. Listen, students. After completing his work, county inspector patted Margie and told to her mother that was not Margie's fault, that she was getting low marks in geography and not performing good in geography. Actually, geography sector was higher standard in comparison to Margie, and now he fixed it according to Margie's age. He also told that Margie's performance was satisfactory. Now see in your book. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Students, Margie did not feel happy to hear that county inspector fixed the problem of her mechanical teacher. She remembered that once when history sector of Tommy's teacher blanked, then they took it away for a month. Now in books. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. "Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds of years ago," he added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully. "Centuries ago." Margie was hurt. "Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago." She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." Listen, students. Margie said studying was not enjoyable. Then why anyone wrote about school? Tommy answered in a superior way that he knew much about than Margie, that this is the old kind of school. Margie felt low and tried to read book. And after some time, she said nothing interesting things in old schools also, because there were also teachers. Now students, please turn page.